How to turn this into this. Stay tuned and find out. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to restore a scratched plexiglass watch crystal and bring it back to life. Stay with me until the end to see the final result. First, we're going to gently wipe the watch using a microfiber cloth. This step is important because it removes any dust or dirt from the surface, making the watch ready for sanding. For this process, we'll need a few basic tools: protective tape, polishing paste for watches, sandpaper. We'll be using 2000 and 3000 grit for fine and ultra-fine sanding of the plexiglass. I'll cut the sandpaper into smaller pieces to make it easier to handle while working on the watch. Next, we'll take the protective tape and carefully apply it around the edges of the watch, specifically the bezel in this case. This is important so we don't accidentally damage it while sanding. Make sure to place the tape right up to the edge of the crystal so it doesn't interfere with the sanding process. Now we'll wet the watch with water. Water is essential for this type of sanding, so don't skip this step. Put on your gloves and let's get started. We begin with the 2000 grit sandpaper. Using light circular motions and adding a few drops of water from time to time, we start sanding the plexiglass crystal. The 2000 grit is slightly rougher and is used to remove deeper scratches. This is where we do the main rough sanding. If you only have 2000 grit sandpaper, that's totally fine. It will still do the job. But if you also have 3000 grit, even better because it allows for a finer finish afterward. During this entire process, don't forget to keep adding a few drops of water consistently. After sanding with the 2000 grit, we add a bit more water and move on to the 3000 grit sandpaper. This step refines the surface and smooths everything out even more. At this stage, the crystal will look cloudy or matte. That's completely normal. That means we're ready for the final step, polishing. For polishing, I'm using a paste that I bought on Temu, but you can easily find similar products on other online stores. It only costs a few dollars and does a great job. Before applying the paste, we'll dry the plexiglass slightly with a cloth. Important, make sure to shake the paste well before use. Apply a generous amount of paste onto a sponge. Don't be afraid to use a bit more. First, gently dab the paste onto the watch surface to distribute it evenly. Then, add a little more paste directly onto the crystal, especially if your sponge absorbs it quickly like mine does. Now we begin polishing, using circular motions across the entire surface of the plexiglass. This is the step where the magic happens. This is where we bring the crystal back to its original factory-like condition. After polishing thoroughly with the sponge, we finish the process using a microfiber cloth to give it that final shine. And there it is, the results are already visible. It looks like the scratches were never even there. I know I sound like one of those TV commercial guys, but it really works. Let's remove the tape so you can see the final result. And here it is, that's how it looks at the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out more content like this on my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Keep loving watches, and I'll see you in the next video.